Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 18, Stuffie Support. Teacher and the Littles welcomed Mac back to kindergarten by giving him a big high five. Mac seemed happy. He had a smile on his face. Mac and his helper helped settle him into the classroom at his table, ready to learn. Teacher picked up Snack and said, "Mac has a new friend named Furry. I am counting on you to help Furry meet the other Stuffies and learn about kindergarten." "Oh, I can do this," said Snack as he clapped his wings. Penguin wings are factually called flippers, to swim through water, not fly through the air. While penguins cannot fly, we are excellent listeners. Now, I have 2 jobs, and that seems like a lot for a tiny penguin. Teacher is wise and reassured me that I was up for the challenge. I trust Teacher. Furry looked up. Snack stood tall in tall. Furry looked up. Furry looked up. Snack stood tall in proud penguin style and began teaching. "Hello, Furry. My name is Snack. Snack has Mac and Snack has Furry. Together, we have quite an important job to help our extraordinary little boy. Each year, new littles arrive. Teacher and Stuffies help them learn a lot of new things. There is so much to learn when you are a little, especially in kindergarten. We learn about being friends. We learn about loving each other and living with each other and laughing with each other. We learn about sharing and caring. It's our Stuffy job to help the littles grow and shine." Friends are important in kindergarten. In the Penguin kindergarten classroom, all the Stuffies are friends. And we each have jobs that help make a difference to each of the littles. Sometimes we work together, and sometimes we work alone. Each Stuffie has a different purpose we share with the children. Let me introduce you to our friends. A little girl with a ponytail galloped up with an armload of ponies and a zebra, causing quite a commotion. "Ponies, zebra, and donkey are the listeners," said Snack. "Nay, nay," said the little girl, and she ran off with Giraffe hanging onto her neck. 2 boys arrived holding a puppy and a pack of dogs. Dogs are very honest and fair. They love their families, and they really love the littles. Dogs like to learn and play. Sometimes they like to stir up the children. Not like in a bowl, but they make them wild. Just saying. "Teacher reminds us often to calm down," said Snack. "She teaches rules, manners, and listening ears." One little boy looked very carefully at the big wheels on Mac's chair. "I like your wheels," he whispered to Mac. Mac's frown turned upside down. He smiled. A small boy and a bubbly girl carried a basket filled with chick, duck, goose, and rooster. "Peep, peep," said the girl. "Quack, quack," said the little boy. Another little girl arrived with her penguin and greeted Furry with a meep, meep, meep. Mac helped Furry meep back. Goose chases and duck follows, said Snack. Ostrich is over there with her head in the sand. If you need to worry, just give it to her. She will keep your worry safe while you play. When you are ready, you can toss your worry to one of the dogs. They will catch it and they will bury it for you. Dogs are good at following commands. Littles need plenty of practice learning and following new rules. Together, we all practice sit and stay. See Lamb and Lion on that pillow? They are best of friends and often snuggle together. Lion has a big roar, and he protects Lamb and all of the children. We call him King of the Kindergarten. Really? The penguins are in charge, except, of course, for teacher. A little boy with overalls stopped by holding a tractor. His friend was holding a cow. A little boy with overalls stopped by holding a tractor. His friend was holding cow. Cow doesn't do much but moo. She is just cow. After all, you can't play farm without a cow. And kindergartners drink milk at snack time. The little boy showed Mac his tractor with big wheels and whispered, "Cool wheels." Mac smiled. You can see there are many of us, and we all have valuable gifts we give to the children. Stuffies are emotional support partners, and we take our jobs seriously. Welcome, Furry. We are glad to meet you. Welcome to kindergarten, shouted the Stuffies to the newest member of Penguin Kindergarten.